What's up, guys? It's Sam Jam. This is just a really quick update on the AMD swing, what I'm looking at and what we would want to watch from here. I know we're down about 30% or so, which is unfortunate. I mean, here's a couple things. First thing I'm thinking, we probably should have went further out on this trade, because what I really liked about this setup on the daily here, all right, was we got this break right there. Oh. And this break here and then here, and we started to break through it the other day. Actually, it was supposed to be up here. There we go. This break was really what I like to see, because as you could see in the previous areas, it was resistance in this area here. And then it was support in this area here. And then you could see it was support here, and unfortunately turned to resistance. I think I jumped in a little too quickly. I am human. We needed to wait for the daily open and close above that level. Plus we had pretty much a secondary point of control right here. This is a high volume point right here, as we can see. 149 to 150. I think we had a daily high above 150, if I'm not mistaken here, because that was what I was watching for. Yeah, 150.12. And that's what I was looking for. I thought we would continue on up, fill out this wedge, and that would have been a massive trade in itself. I was also planning on, at the very least, taking that trim at the gap area here, and then a possible second trim at the point of control here, and then our third trim all the way up. This wedge on the daily is filled out more than 2/3 of the way, so it makes a really nice wedge. I didn't necessarily want to play a wedge break. I wasn't looking for that. I was looking for the play up to approximately 160 or so. And it's just not playing out right now. So what do we do from here? There's a couple things we can do. We're down about 30% on the trade. I've got December contracts. Let me fix this line. It's not quite touching. We want to make sure it touches. There we go. There we go. All right. So we wait for the bounce, and we add on the bounce. So we would do three things. All right. Look for the bounce, and on confirmation with the break back up, add. So we have three add areas: here, here, or here. And what that means is waiting for the bounce and adding approximately this area here, waiting for the break of our original entry, and then adding on the break back up here. All right, or waiting all together and taking an initial entry right here at the break into the gap here. Those are the only three times I like an entry in any way, shape, or form, are those three areas here. I can't tell people what to do. I think we needed to go further out on the contracts. I'm not going to do much. What is the low of this here? This is about 141, and we're at 144 here, so it's about 2%. That's going to kind of hurt on the downside. It's unfortunate. I'm going to hold what I have for December. I might run it out and extend it out. I might sell and go out to January or May, but I don't really want to do that and put more money in until we get green. So I'm holding tight here. If we lose trend line, obviously I'm going to be out. If we take a hard bounce, I'll probably roll it out to March. And then these are the only three justified add points that I personally have. And play from there. And then to the opposite side, if we go a weekly, now I'm talking a weekly. I'm not talking about one candle. I'm talking about a weekly candle. We get a weekly candle, open and close below 138. So right about here. Weekly candle, open and close below it. Talking open and close below it. We've got a put entry down to a couple really nice targets. This could just be a little bit of a bull flag. We know how hot AMD can get and how quick it can get there. But, you know, especially smaller accounts, you can't recklessly hold too far red. I'm a little more You know, like Liza is like a little more blasé about letting it go a little red because we've had such an insane amount of successful trades lately. So I am kind of probably holding it a little more than I should. But I don't have a perfect answer on this. Thanks, guys. That's about all I got on this one.